Hey, this is Morgan Titus, sales manager of the Greenville office for America's Home Place. Today we're out here at a house in the middle of the framing stage. This house should have roof trusses put up in the next little bit, and the roof trusses are going to cover the whole house, and the next step after that is actually putting the sheeting and the roofing on. That is called getting the house in the dry. That's when the house is completely covered by a roof and everything on the inside of the house can start proceeding into things that we don't normally want to get wet, things like insulation. I often get that question, is it okay for the house to be left open like this for a day or two or so while we're getting ready for the next stage? And is it okay for it to get wet? And the answer is yes, definitely. It will get wet. America's Home Place works super hard to make sure that all the products that are put in these homes are high quality and come with long-lasting warranties. This subfloor, for example, has a lifetime warranty on it, but it also comes with something called a submersion warranty. A submersion warranty means that the product will actually perform perfectly even if it's submerged underwater for a period of time. It's special, and that's a warranty that doesn't come with every product, and we're excited to make sure that we're offering that to our customers in this area. So this is a little under the halfway point, and at this period of construction, it goes very quickly. So we always encourage our customers to come out and make sure they're visiting their home often, because if they don't, it'll go very quickly and they'll miss some of those fun phases that are exciting to see and take pictures of during construction. Visit our website at americashomeplace.com, and we hope to get in touch with you soon. Thanks.